Hola. So this is seedling bed number 2. These were planted just over 2 weeks ago. As you can see, this is where we had the issue. Something was eating the spinach. But I covered it with cheesecloth, and then I bought some plant cover. And you can see, not only is it coming back, it's starting to look like spinach leaves. And here's some skinny little onions. And then we have carrots doing carroty things. They have carrot tops. More skinny little onions. And then we just got these 3 lettuces. We planted more seeds, but nothing happened. And we had something over here was eating the carrots. Found a caterpillar on this 4th one. There's actually a little stem right here. Got rid of that guy. Okay, bye.